Hey guys, it's the BFE sisters, and today I'm doing a mukbang. 1 second. Okay, I have to close the door. Anyway, I'm doing mukbang and mukbang. I don't know. Anyway, I'm just gonna I had my scan today, and I'll tell you guys a little bit. Whoa. That's my sticker from the hospital. I'll tell you guys a little bit about the thing. So I have all of my snacks. I opened them already. I didn't eat any though. So I opened my drink too. Yeah. So let's start with the lunchbox gummy. Okay. So I had to wake up so early, so I'm super tired. But anyway, we got to the hospital, okay? And we thought we got there maybe 45 minutes earlier, but the person that was doing my scan was a little late, so it was like an hour. We had to sit there and wait, and it was so tiring. But anyway, here is the little lunchbox. It's all falling here. I'll show it out separately. So, first, I have 2 cute Coca-Cola gummies. Okay, super cute. Yeah, let's move everything out of the way. Okay, and then I have 2 hamburger gummies, 1 pizza, 1 hot dog, and 1 fry. Oh, whoa, okay. Under the fries packet was another Coca-Cola bottle, so I have 3 Coca-Cola bottles and 1 French fries. Okay, let's get started. So, yeah, we got there and it was forever. Then I got in, we did my blood draw, which actually wasn't that bad. So, yeah. And then we went into the scan, and I got to watch a movie, and I watched Inside Out, and it was super fun, actually. So, yeah. So then, okay, what I'm having right now is a hamburger, and we got finished with that, and we went to lunch, and we got Panda. It's actually super good. Then we went to, okay, I forgot to tell you. We went to the hospital by Farmington, kind of. So we ate lunch at Farmington, and then we had to drive all the way to the primary children's I had my surgery at to get the news. And I'll cut into the news right now. I have no brain tumors, which is actually super good. And I actually get to go a year without scans and stuff. And they're going to do this till I'm 16 and stuff. So yeah, super exciting. But I'm having the meat part, I guess. So let me tell you, if you didn't know, let me tell you about my brain tumors. So one time when I was little, I was 4 or 5 or 6 or something, and we found out that my eye was going cross-eyed for some reason. And my mom and dad, I think, took me to the doctor or the hospital, and they just waited, I guess. I don't know. And then they did some scans on my eye or brain, and then that's when we found out. I'm eating the lettuce and cheese. That's when they found out that I had a brain tumor. And so, yeah, I was actually super sad. They had tubes all down my throat, and we had to wait for my first surgery forever, literally. And they kept bumping it down and down and down. So, it took forever, and I couldn't eat or I couldn't drink. So, after my surgery, I had to drink out of a sponge because I think I kept asking for like a drink or something, and then they're like, sorry, I was joking. Oh my gosh. Okay. They were like, probably we can give you we can give you a sponge to drink out. So I was drinking out of a sponge, and I couldn't eat or chug water down because I could choke or the tube in my throat and stuff. So yeah, but then I had like 2 bad doctors that were actually super rude, but then after that I was doing good. So yeah, that's my story. And then I got glasses, and then on my second surgery, and we were finding out that I was about to have my second brain tumor. And I even looked at my mom and I said, with my teeny little baby glasses on, and I looked at my mom and I said, Mom, I have another one. And we were both crying. It was actually super sad. So, yeah. Anyway, let's get on to the mukbang. This is the Coke bottle, and I really want to try one of these. Here's what it looks like. Good. It actually tastes like Coke. Very good. So yeah, that's literally my story and stuff. But I have to take medicines and stuff, and I hated medicine when I was little because I was just teeny. And they had me do like the syringe medicine, like the liquidy one that always tasted bitter. So it was so gross, and I'd always like throw it up and like, I can't get my bracelet off. But so when I started doing pills, and it actually got a lot easier. So yeah. And now I take growth hormone, which makes me grow, because I wasn't growing because of my pituitary gland. I think that's how you say it. Got taken out. I'm not going to eat these 2 right now, but I don't know it. But so yeah, and so they had to give me like a shot to have every day to grow. So yeah, but here's my hot dog. I think you can take it. Oh yeah, that's cute. Look, there's the bun with ketchup and relish, it looks like. And then this has mustard and the hot dog. Cherry with lemon. Good. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna try to post more often because I haven't done that for like a year or 2, honestly. So yeah. Okay. That is actually so good. I'm gonna have some of my raspberry peach tea. So so good. I'm gonna move on to different stuff. I'll try the fries and a pizza and maybe have another hamburger later. So I'm gonna try my other stuff. I've already tried this raspberry peach tea. Really good. Whoa. Our next one. Takis. Okay. These are super spicy. still gonna have some because they taste so good, but they're just so spicy. Okay. Look at my fingers, they're red. Woo. I'm gonna have another one of these in a sec, but I'm trying to make this quick. So here's a raspberry push pop. I already took off this. Whoa. Okay. Try to open this. Okay. This is so good. Okay. There's that. So, yeah. I got all of this stuff. If you're just like, wow, girl, you're spoiled. You get all this stuff just because, no, I don't. I got this stuff because we're celebrating, because I have no brain tumors. Duh. Anyway, I have a fluid pocket that they said kind of teensy bit changed, but they're like, no, we'll leave it alone. The doctors are like, no, you don't need anything done, so, yeah. So, yeah, it was very tiring. All day we were out, and so, yeah. Okay, I don't know what I'm supposed to say, or I don't know. So, yeah. Oh, and we saw the movie Cruella de Vil. I think it was like on Monday was my mom's birthday. Happy birthday on Monday. Yeah. Okay. So we went to see Cruella de Vil, and we got a bunch of snacks and a bunch of popcorn. And yeah, I'm gonna be trying this pizza. So yeah, and I thought, me and my dad and Bailey thought it was actually gonna be boring. We all didn't even want to go, but we watched it and we're like, it's a good movie. I can't get this. Okay, fine. And it was a really good movie, so you guys should actually go see it. Oh, that's cute. Come apart. I can eat 3 pieces of pizza at one time. Bam. So I forgot what I was about to say. 1 second. Oh yeah. Since I can go about like a year without brain tumors, I might get braces or like an expander to widen my mouth out, or the top of my mouth. So yeah. So I give the pizza, hamburger, and hot dog equally about the, like, I give a pizza a 9. 9 out of 10. Because, and I also give the hamburger and the hot dog a 9 out of 10. Because they all actually taste the exact same, but they're still good. So, yeah. And I give the 2 little Coca-Cola bottles like a 10 out of 10. Those were so good. French fries. It says that they're supposed to be sour, so I'll have to wait and see. Whoa, they're powdery. Oh, wrong way. Cute mini fries. It almost looks like a gummy worm, just dipped in like sour powder. They are sour. Super sour. Not super, but sour. They're lemon flavor. So good. Yeah, so that was everything. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and follow my mom on Instagram and stuff to hear a little more about my brain tumors and stuff. So if you'd like to know a little more, go follow my mom on Instagram. So, and my dad, I think, too. This week's shout outs go to my Aunt Brooke, my cousin McKay, my best friend Hendrix and Harper, my little sister Ellie because it's her birthday next week, and also my Aunt Brandy because it's her birthday tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you later. Mwah. Bye.